What's going on, everybody? Elite Motorsports here. Just got in this 2004 Road King Classic. Stick around to the end of the video for a startup. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Starting up front, chrome front end, chrome brake caliper cover, 48 spoke front wheel. It's got a stage 1 with a Harley air cleaner, power commander tuner, fishtail exhaust, Andrews cams, LED front and rear turn signals, upgraded hard bags, Harley derby cover, shifter linkage, engine guard, highway pegs. Bike only has 37,953 miles on it. 15-inch burly bars, grips, chrome levers, mirrors, Daymaker style headlight and passing lights. This bike's had a lot of upgrades. A pair of solo seat. Let's go ahead and get started. Give us a call at 1-866-427-5398. Thank you.